There's a giraffe right over there. Serious no? Oh. So. That's a die car. Två, en till här pappa. Another die car is right here. These are the smallest antelopes. In the family of antelopes, these are the smallest. They're called dikers at the Nairobi Animal Orphanage. That's a mighty crane. The crane bird. That's a crane and two wives. They've just been feeding them, so that's what they have for food. It's like maize and some fruit. That's the mighty lioness. Lioness. Oh, lion. That's a lioness. Lioness. Where's the lion? More baboons. They're waiting for food. There's a leopard right there. A leopard up the tree. All the way. He's up the tree. There's a leopard there. If you look carefully, you will see there's a leopard resting there. Now you can see him. He's right there. That's him. It's a leopard. It's a leopard right there, hiding. They like to stay up the tree. Still waiting for food. You can see them. That's a mongoose, but they're sleeping because you know they're nocturnal. So, and that's a cheetah. That's the fastest animal. It's a cheetah. There's a cheetah up close. Right there. Dari melon. There's two lionesses. Now she got up. Now she got spooked by something. She's in a hunting position. He's trying to hunt that child. That's what spooked him. I tell you, if this one gets out, there's no running. If he gets... Tita pa leon. Tita pa leon, Melo. Tita, hang koma today. Tita. So now it's feeding time for the cheetahs. There's the guy with the food.
What's her name? Marina, look at me what I'm doing now and tell me which teacher is faster than the other when I open for them to come. So you open your eyes, then you give me the answer. Don't blink.
He's feeding the cheetahs some food. That's what they eat.
Now it's up to you to tell me.
The best bit.
Hello.
Take it quick.
That's better.
So, and here's a hyena. There's a hyena here. Tita. 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 No, not to get in mud.
Maybe some fruit too.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a. Yeah. Aumenti me. Yeah. Okay.
Gawi moja.
Ako hapo. Ah, huyu vipi huyo? This is a coward hyena. I've never seen anything like this. Ay. The guy just went inside. No, these are tame hyenas. These are not wild. There's no way. Oh. Umetoka country gani?
Mimi ni Kenya lakini tunaishi Germany.
Germany? Ah, si tunaishi Sweden. Pia mimi ni Mkenya. Si mbaya. Listen pa hana. Hana yete hungrig. Hana glad.
Even making louder than the big one.